Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from Bitrue to Kucoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're trading, staking, or just reorganizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Kucoin, and that you have some Solana in your Bitrue wallet. Always double-check that you're on the official websites to avoid any phishing scams. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Solana balance. Click on the Withdraw option for Solana. You'll need to select the Solana network. Remember, it's crucial to use the correct network to prevent any loss of funds. Next, open your Kucoin account in another tab. Go to the Assets page, search for Solana, and click on Deposit. This will generate a unique deposit address for your Kucoin wallet. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Back on Bitrue, paste the Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, but don't forget to account for network fees. These can vary, so check the estimated fee before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button and verify the transaction with any required 2FA codes. After you submit, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like Solana's official one to track it. It usually takes a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. That's how you send Solana from Bitrue to Kucoin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.